Hi, today I'm going to be looking at View by Night by Vincent Lindsey-Clark from the Grade 5 Trinity College syllabus. Now, this song starts with a lovely C major 7th chord. So what we need to do is third finger on C, middle finger on our E. And we don't roll the chord, it's all together. E, G, B, E, pinky on D, and keep that second finger on the E for the chord, and then thumb. Thumb goes, or third finger rather, goes down to the G. So these two bars are moving on to the next two bars. We have our third finger on F, middle finger on A, and first finger on a C. Pinky goes up to G, comes off, and then back on. With these other E and C and G all played together at the end of that bar. Next we have the F again, E, D, A, C and E together, F, and all the strings open at the end of the bar. So, the end of the first line sounds like this. And your whole first line will sound like this. Okay, moving on to the next line. It's almost exactly the same as the first to start with. Notice it's just a C by itself now. Next bar, we have our first finger going down to the F, middle finger goes on an A and an open D together. E, D, E. Now notice this is a G sharp and a C. So even though it's our second finger, it's a C natural. E, G, and then that G's moving up 2 frets to our A. Low A, and then at the 5th fret we have third finger on, our second finger on the 5th fret, third finger on 5th fret, and pinky on the 5th fret. And then a middle finger drops down 1 to 4th fret on the G string, first finger goes to 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and a pinky stays up on the A. Keep your fingers where they are, apart from the pinky. Take the pinky off. Next, we're back into first position. Middle finger's on an A, we've got an open B, and a pinky is on the G. First finger pulls off. Use the pinky for the D. G sharp, C together. Take off the middle finger, keep the first finger where it is, low E, D, G sharp, B, low E, E, G, and pinky goes back up to the A, low A. That third line will sound like this. Now we have low A. Moving into 5th position, first finger plays a C, that's 5th fret on your G string, open B, and a high B, 7th fret on your E string. second finger comes down to the A. Again, take that finger off, and in the next bar we have low E, that first finger on the G, E, open E. These two bars will sound like this. Moving on to the next bar, we have a low D, third finger on the A, first finger on the C, middle finger on the F sharp, or F natural. Play that chord again. F pulls off to the E, C, A, and we've got that lovely low E, D, G sharp and C chord to finish. And that takes us all the way up to the first repeat. Now, in the exam, you would normally miss out the repeats, so you'd go straight on to the second repeat. So let's pretend it's the second repeat. We've just played. Then we have E, D, C sharp with your second finger, and then we have a low A, first finger plays our G sharp, second finger goes back to C sharp. You've noticed the lighting's a bit funny today, the sun keeps coming and going, and we have low A, then chord. And in fact, over the next two bars, you just need to keep these fingers where they are, and it's your third finger that's alternating between the F sharp and the E. So we have something that sounds like this. This is where it changes. Pinky goes up to the G, and we have a low A, third finger back to F sharp, E, F sharp, E. That last bar, starting on the upbeat to the from the bar before, goes 1, 2, 3, 4. The next little bit we have all open strings. D, C, E. I'm going to let you hear the rhythm from bar 17 all the way to the start of bar 21. Okay, carrying on, we have the same thing again. This time going all the way up to our A, 5th fret on the E string, down to the G again, so use your second finger for the G, A, F sharp, open, G, going from bar 21, you have next we have a nice low D, A, C and F all together. Middle finger comes off to let your low E, keep the others on, come through, F goes back on, off, on, low D, E, F, G, low E. So from the end of bar 2 of the second line on the second page we have next, we're going to have a pinky go back up to that A, pull off from A to G, open E, G goes back on, then we have hammer on from low E, B, D. So if I take it from second bar of third line on the second page, and we have this lovely bar of D minor 7 again. And then a low D, G sharp and C, open, low G, and these other strings are all open at the end there. So low G, G, E, E. Then we have a DCL coda, so we'll go right back to and when we play through all that bit, you'll see in the fourth line there's a bit that says to coda, so we jump to the coda and get that lovely C and G sharp again. Next we have low A, E, G and C all together. Now watch this, keep that shape, move it up, 1, 2, and play that chord again, low A, open G, D, E, G, F sharp, E, D. Do that all in second position. So if I play from the start of the coda, we have and the next two bars. Next one sort of echoes that first phrase. Slide it up, 1, 2. Changes here. A, pulling off to a G, E, D, back to C and E together. Moving it up 2 again. Open G, D, E, low E, A. And our final chord is C, 5th fret on your G string, open B, and a high G, 3rd fret on your E string. So the whole coda will sound like this.